Well, howdy there, Internet people. It's Belle again. So today, we're going to talk about SCOTUS agreeing to hear Trump's birthright citizenship case. The Supreme Court agreed to take up one of the most consequential questions in U.S. law: whether the principle of birthright citizenship survives a direct challenge from the president. In other words, whether being born on U.S. soil continues to guarantee citizenship as it has in the past, or if the D.C. establishment can slowly whittle away who gets to be considered an American. On his very first day back in office, Trump signed an executive order aiming to strip that guarantee away from children born to undocumented immigrants, or people here only temporarily. The idea: if your parents aren't citizens or permanent residents, you don't get automatic citizenship. What used to be a given would instead become conditional. Courts all across the country didn't buy it. Judges unanimously blocked that order, saying it violates the 14th Amendment, which is the part of the Constitution that has served for over a century to guarantee that all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. But now, the Supreme Court said it would hear the case. That means we're on the brink of a historic showdown over what U.S. citizen actually means. Oral arguments are likely next spring, with a decision expected by early summer. If the court rules in favor of the administration, the consequences are massive. Potentially, millions of people could be denied citizenship simply because of their parents' immigration status. That would rewrite a fundamental rule of American identity and belonging. Birthright citizenship is a guarantee rooted in a post-Civil War America, meant to ensure that being born in this country automatically grants you membership, regardless of your parents' background. Scrap that guarantee, and you're not just changing immigration policy, you're redefining who counts as American. You're putting the fate of children, many born and raised here, at the mercy of political and legal disputes for years to come. If the court sides with Trump, it would be letting a president, by unilateral order, erase a civil rights guarantee enshrined in the Constitution. That would set a chilling precedent. Constitutional principles, once seemingly written in stone, are at the whims of the president. That's what the Supreme Court taking up this case really means. It's not just another headline. It's a moment to decide who we are, what we stand for, and whether the protections we've taken for granted are strong enough to survive when someone tries to pull the rug out from underneath them. So watch this one closely, because whatever the decision, what gets decided isn't just law. It's the idea of America itself. Anyway, it's just a thought. Y'all have a good day.